Welcome to Mr. Fix's channel. Today we're going to sort out some large masonry cracks. We've got a crack in the corner that has a massive gap there behind that vertical timber. It's a very old building, it's over 150 years old in south of England, and it's just been cracking. There was some kind of subsidence outside due to failing drains, but that's been all sorted out now for a couple of years and all the movements have been stopped. Now to secure these walls for this corner crack, I've drilled a couple of holes about 10-12 millimeters in diameter and run across the corner along the wall to the joint. I cut the joint about 1/3 of the brick in, and then set some resin fix, some polyester resin, and then helical stainless steel bars. As you can see there, just bedding the bars into that bar into the hole, and then just gonna flood the rest of the bar with this resin. Here you can see both bars have been set in. Now I'm going to just leave it to harden up and I'm going to prepare the other crack. The other crack is much larger, as you can see, and I'm going to use 1 meter long helical bars, and once it's all been cut about 1/3 into the width of the brick, to the joints, I'm going to remove all the debris and then dust it all off so there's no dust and joints are all nice and clear. I'm running 1 helical bar on every 5 to 6 joints. It is very important to squeeze all that resin fix all the way around the helical bar, so it goes behind the bar and all the way from upper brick down to lower brick. You don't have to fill entire joint with it, as long as you do one big blob of resin on every couple of inches. That is more than enough. And then once it's all set, I'm going to use bonding and just apply bonding to all that missing plaster to make it nice and flat. And then I'm going to use 160 grams per meter render mesh, and yeah, there is a render mesh. It's 160 grams per square meter, and it will be applied on the base coat of bonding, same with that crack there on the chimney. And then following day it's going to be all PVA'd and plastered. It's a messy job. You have to make sure you protect and polythene and sheet up absolutely everything. And this is the following day, all plastered up. Now it's just all plastered. Now it just needs to dry out and be decorated. Obviously that bit of crack on the coving that needs to be filled in by decorator, and a bit of crack in there underneath the coving as well. That is going to be decorator's job. Now once that dries out fully, I'll have to come back and refit these shelves. So don't want to fit them now on wet plaster, still wet, because shelves are made of solid wood, so they will absorb the moisture and probably curl and bow and crack, so the best is to keep them off. And that is, once it's all painted, it's going to be all good as one. No more crack. And same here as well, that corner there, and this chimney breast as well. That had the full mesh on it from above this point up across that crack. That's all done, and that's there. It's been meshed up as well and skimmed. Once it dries out, ready for decorating. Job done.